Good morning, students. We are going to learn about chemical reaction of metals. In previous class, we have learnt that is few chemical reactions such like when magnesium react with oxygen, what happens? Mg plus O2 forms MgO, and when we mix that MgO ash, it will form a base. Okay. So we have learnt about that reaction. Now students, more important reaction, 2-3 reactions are there in this chapter. So that is, the first one is when some of the metal react with water and metal react with acids. So you have to remember that when metal react with acids, what happens? That is very, very important. When metal react with acid, suppose Mg, magnesium, react with acid, HCl. Okay, what happens? So this reaction is very difficult for you to understand, but you remember that any metal, whether it is iron or magnesium or aluminum or sodium, any metal, when they react with acid, they liberate hydrogen gas. That is H2. This arrow mark shows that liberating means releases hydrogen gas. So any metal, when they react with acid, they liberate hydrogen gas. So how do we know that when metal react with acid, they liberate gas? How do we know? What is the proof? So there is a test for this. When metal react with acid, you have to see that when you keep near any flame, means which is burning, the flame will make the sound pop. Okay. Pop like sound comes, means the H2 which is released by reacting with metal, it completely make a pop out sound with burning flame. Understand? So you have to remember that when metal react with acid, they releases H2 gas. This is point number 1. When metal react with acid, they releases H2 gas. Okay. But all metal not react. Okay, some exceptions are there, student. Okay, so this is the main point. When metal react with acid, they releases H2. Okay, and now some of the one important reaction given in your textbook, that is displacement reaction. There is a reaction with name displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Okay, what is mean by displacement reaction? Okay, क्या है displacement reaction मतलब? Now I am going to write one reaction. See here, zinc is a metal like iron. It is react with copper sulfate. Zinc react with copper sulfate and forms zinc sulfate ZnSO4. Okay, ZnSO4 plus copper. You carefully observe, students. You carefully observe this reaction. You find that zinc Zn plus CuSO4. Zn plus CuSO4. When these two reacts, ZnSO4 plus Cu formation takes place. That means, see students, here only zinc is there. Here Cu and SO4. Now this SO4 is there, no? It is now in this compound, the SO4 is with Cu. Now what happens when CuSO4 react with zinc? This SO4 goes and combine with zinc. Goes and combine with zinc. When SO4 combine with zinc, so यहाँ से चले जाता है SO4 और इसके साथ जुड़ जाता है जिंक के साथ, तब क्या होता है ZnSO4। तो यहाँ से SO4 चले गया तो बच गया क्या इधर Cu, वही Cu यहाँ लिखते हैं, मतलब यहाँ प्लेस से ये इस प्लेस में आ गया, मतलब अपने प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस में चले गया। तो हम ऐसे रिएक्शन को क्या बोलते हैं, डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन। डिस्प्लेसमेंट मीन्स फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिनल प्लेस it moved to another place. From its original place it moved to another place. Such a reaction is called as displacement reaction. So see here, Zn plus CuSO4 gives rise to ZnSO4 plus Cu. So SO4 from CuSO4 it migrated to zinc and combined with zinc and form ZnSO4, means from this place to it moved this place, means such type of reaction is called as displacement reaction. Okay, so first point is when metal react, any metal react with acid forms, that means liberates hydrogen gas. And example for displacement reaction means this reaction example is this one. So one component displaces its position to another element. Okay, so this is displacement reaction. So another reaction also given to you students, when react SO2 react with water, when sulfur dioxide, do you know SO2, sulfur dioxide, we call it as sulfur dioxide like carbon dioxide. When SO2 react with water, H2O, okay, when SO2 react with water, what happens, H2SO3, that is sulfurous acid, H2SO3 formation takes place. What happens, H2SO3 formation takes place, understand? Okay, so when sulfur dioxide reacted with water, H2SO4 formation takes place. These two reactions are given to you. Okay, this is example for displacement reaction. What happens when metal react with acids, and this is one reaction given in your textbook. There are different types of table given. Please, you have to do the tables, you have to fill those tables. Means any metal react with acid, they liberate hydrogen gas. So acids, you know that we have learned in class 7th. Bases, you know that we have done experiment in chemistry laboratory also, students. So these are the important reactions. So by this our chapter will complete. If you have any doubt, please ask in WhatsApp or you personally make a call to me. Okay, this is 4th chapter. After completion of this chapter, you have to write question and answer on your own and submit to me through WhatsApp. Okay students, next from tomorrow we are going to start chapter 5th.